If you're finding it difficult to calculate pips on gold, this is a short calculation on how to do it using the MT5. Not just gold, but every single currency pair that you can think of on the chart. So as you can see, we are on MT5 right now. Let me open one of the markets and we're going to be using gold. To open gold, open the chart right now. As you can see, we are on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, price is bullish overall. Now let's calculate our take profit. Let's calculate our pip count as per buys. For instance, as per buys. So let's say you come on here, let's say you bought gold before you made this move. You bought it at this point right here, 3654, right? Now if you want to know how much you would have made if you bought gold from this place up to where it is right now, you just press your TP and then you have your TP. So your TP is around 406 pips. That is 468 points. You understand? 468 points. As you can see, I say 468 points. As you can see, 4068 points rather. So what you have is 406 pips. That is what it means. 406 pips. If you move it, this is 355 pips. So if you move from there to this high, it means 442 pips. And you can also see the monetary value of the pips being converted for you. Very simple, very straightforward. No too much calculations, no too much complications. This video is basically a very short way for you to calculate pips on gold, metals, for you to calculate pips on gold, BTC USD, and other currency pair. If you're having difficulty with this, just download the MT5 platform, log in, and just follow this guide that I just showed you right now. So you have 407, and 407 monetary value is $203, as you can see here. So if you bought from this zone right here, what you will have is $202 at that point of interest. So that explains it. The same thing for your stop loss. If you're placing your stop loss, you just press your SL, and then for buys your stop loss is below, and then for sales your stop loss is above. So you have 444 pips right here, and then that is $22. So it means minus $22, you're risking $22 to get $202. So that is how to use MT5 on mobile to calculate pips. Very simple, very short. Now let's go to BTC USD to confirm that, or any pair. So we have BTC USD. So we are on US30 right here, and as you can see, US30 is in a bearish momentum. So we are going to use this as an analogy to explain how to calculate pips on here. So we are on US30, we explained it with gold, so we are explaining it with US30. So we are on US30 right here, and you can see price already selling. So let's just assume we got on this sell trade at the point of this week. So let's say this is our entry point at the point of this week. So we want to know how much we would have made since price has moved in our direction for a very long time. So we'll press the TP that we have right here, and then we'll see the monetary value of what we have made. So from the TP, we have made $12.74 on this particular position, meaning we have made 25 pips on this particular position. As you can see, 25,481, meaning 25 pips. So it means we have made $12.74 on this particular position. Then as for our stop loss is above this level, and it means we are risking $3.2 on this particular 3.2 pips on this particular trade as our stop loss, meaning $1.62 that we are risking on this particular trade. If you move our stop loss further, we are risking $2.42, and if we keep moving it, we can see how much we are risking on this particular trade. So as you can see, we are risking $2.80 on this particular trade, meaning 5.6 pips on this particular trade as our stop loss. So that's basically it on how to calculate pips on gold using the MT5 on your mobile device. So if you like this video, do well to subscribe, share, and also join my Telegram channel on the link below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.